out of the Microsoft event where they announced a bunch of new products in their Surface line. I'm such a huge fan of Surface, so it's really exciting to be here and to get to experience this in person. And I am sitting on a throne of Surfaces right now. So let's walk around and check out some of the things that they announced today. They announced the new Surface Pro 7, a new Surface Pro X, a new Surface Laptop 3. They also announced some Surface earbuds, and they even gave us a sneak peek of two things that won't be out until 2020. It's the Surface Duo and the Surface Neo. It's basically taking that foldable concept and having two screens, so you'll be able to run one app on the left, one app on the right. You could also use one app in both windows. So the reason that they did announce this ahead of time for it to be released next year is so the developers will have time to actually make things so that when it is out, we'll be able to use it. So let's go walk around and see what we can see. We've got some secret fun happening. We are now in the room where we have everything that they announced today. So over here, starting with the Surface Pro X with this incredible, secret, hidden Surface Pen. We've got the Surface Pro 7 and the new Surface Laptop 3s. And this is the new sandstone color. Most laptops that are designed this way, they kind of have like a little finger groove so that when you go like this to pick it up, there's a place to put your finger. It's just a small, tiny little ledge here and you lift it up. Wow, that was pretty fast.
That was seamless.
It was pretty seamless. This is the 13-inch. This is the 15-inch. Let me give this a feel. It actually feels pretty good. It's pretty light.
Like, could I hold it like this if I were to?
Oh yeah.
Oh my God.
Easily. It also has USB-C, thank you, headphone jack, and a regular USB-A port. The Surface Laptop 3 is actually twice as fast as the previous generation, and you can choose from two different keyboard finishes. It has a 20% larger trackpad, a fast charging, but it also has a removable hard drive, so this is really great for upgrading, but also for security purposes. Hey, do you even hear me typing?
Yeah, but I'm really close.
I have a very aggressive type. When we share hotel rooms, she's like, you gotta stop it.
I mean, it's aggressive.
But this is pretty quiet.
Yeah, this isn't bad at all. I can handle
It's actually
that.
really quiet.
I'll allow it.
Here's our Surface Pro 7. God, I love the Surface line. They're just so cool. This is the little icy blue color.
Ice blue.
Ice blue. It's ice blue. I think icy blue is something that they should think about for next year. Look how good that looks. This is the Poppy Red. It's a nice red color. It's not too bright, but it's also a nice muted tone here. The Surface Pro 7 comes in a platinum and a matte black with a 12.3-inch display. You could choose from an i3, an i5, and an i7 processor, 4, 8, or 16 gigs of memory. Storage options are solid-state drives, 128, 256, 512, or a terabyte. You can get up to 10.5 hours of battery life. You can charge your Surface Pro 7 to 80% in just over an hour. The front-facing camera will shoot 1080p HD video with a 5-megapixel sensor. The rear-facing is an 8-megapixel sensor, and you can also shoot 1080. It has USB-A, USB-C, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. It also has a mini display port, there's a micro SD card reader, which is pretty awesome, and it's also compatible with a Surface Dial. This one has the Poppy Red keyboard with the matching Poppy Red pen. Poppy Red Arc mouse, anyone? I just love it. I love the design of this. It's so cool. It's like a slap bracelet. So the Pro X was one of the things that I was most looking forward to checking out because it has one of the more newer designs. So the Surface Pen is just hidden so neatly right here. They kept calling it like a garage or like a pencil box. So this is magnetic. It also charges anytime it is connected to its little garage. And as soon as you take it out, it switches into the mode where you can use the pen. This is so funny. It's a full screen snip. And there it is. I just took a full screen snip. Hello, Jenna. This is one of their thinnest designs ever. It's only 7.3 millimeters. It also features a 13-inch edge-to-edge display. It'll give you all-day battery life, which they said is about 13 hours. It has fast charging, which should get you about an 80% charge within an hour. It can be always connected if you choose to connect it to LTE. But again, one of my favorite things about the Pro X is that you can safely store and charge your Surface Pen right here. It has two USB-C ports. It uses Window Hello authentication in the front-facing camera. Yeah, it's really my best work. One of the things that they were talking about is fast charging, which is great because I feel like a lot of times it does take a little bit longer to charge up a laptop, but they said you can get about an 80% charge within an hour, maybe even under an hour, depending upon which Surface you're using. These are the new Surface earbuds. So it's really cool because this is basically made to work seamless with Office products. It'll also do live transcription. So if you're speaking in English, like I am now, I don't know any other languages. So this can automatically translate on the fly. One of my favorite things that someone said on Twitter was they kind of look like pop sockets. Little minis. Well guys, this was just a first look at some of the new stuff that Microsoft announced. I'm looking forward to getting some review units. I'm so excited to get a chance to test some of these things out, so stay tuned and look for some more videos coming up. Let me know what you guys think, which one was your favorite, and what are you guys most looking forward to? I know you're probably looking forward to what's coming out in 2020, the Neo and the Duo. The Pro X, I think, is something that I'm looking forward to trying out the most. So that's it. I'll see you guys later, and that's the end of the video now. So bye.